Temporary airbrush tattoos, how long do they last? They last from 7 to 14 days when applied correctly. Airbrush tattoos are temporary tattoos that are sprayed on using a system very similar to the one used for doing airbrush art. With the time and expense of a fantastic airbrush tattoo, you want yours to stay looking good for as long as possible. They're waterproof, but easily removed with baby oil. Preparation is important to ensure that an airbrush tattoo will last as long as possible. But unfortunately for people with oily skin, the period that the tattoo will look nice may be shorter. Nevertheless, they have none of the problems and even the regrets of traditional tattoos. Go wild. Enjoy your tattoo.